Dear students, today we will start with Unit 5, which consists of data interpretation. So first is a tabulation. In tabulation we have to observe the table, and according to that table we have to answer the questions by observing that table. So for example, this is the first table. The following table gives the sales of batteries manufactured by a company over the years. Study the table and answer the question that follow. So this is the number of different types of batteries sold by a company over the years, and these numbers are in thousands. Okay, so these are the, see this table, these are the types of batteries. This is years, and according to years this is the sale of that batteries, and this is the total of that batteries. Okay, so the first question is, the total sales of all the 7 years is the maximum for which battery? Okay, so what we have to do, we have to add all these numbers which is in thousand. Okay, so see here, the total sales in thousand of all the 7 years is, for 4AH this is 676, for 7AH it is 694, for 32AH it is 901, for 35AH it is 601, and for 55AH it is 799. So clearly by observing these figures, this 901 is greater, means the sale of the battery is maximum in the case of 32AH. Okay, so this is the first example. Second example is what is the difference in the number 35AH batteries sold in 1993 and 1997. So the batteries which are sold in 35AH battery, this is a 35AH battery. See, this is a 35AH battery. In 1993 it is 84, and in 1997 it is 45. So 84 minus 45 means 39. 84,000 minus 45,000 means 39,000 is the difference in the number of 35AH battery. Okay, next question is, the percentage of 4AH batteries sold to the number of batteries sold was the maximum in the year. Okay, what we have to do, we have to find out the percentage of 4AH battery against the total number of sold batteries. Okay, so see here, the percentage of the sales for 4AH batteries is 1992. The 4AH battery sold is 75,000 and total is 543. So 75 upon 543 into 100 is 1381. Okay, for 1993 it is 90 upon 528 into 100, so it is 17.05. So we have to calculate all the percentage of all the years for 4AH batteries, and by observing this, for 1997 it is the maximum percentage. So the answer for this question 3 is D, 1997. Okay, now next is, in the case of which battery there was a continuous decrease in sales from 1992 to 1997. So we have to observe the table and we have to find out which battery is having a continuous decrease. Okay, from 1992 to 1997. So here it is increasing, here it is decreasing till 1997. Here again it is increasing, see here, here again it is increasing, here increasing, here also it is increasing, see here it is increasing. So the decreasing order is for the 7AH battery. So the answer for this question is 7AH. Second answer. Then next is, what was the approximate percentage increase in the sales of 55AH batteries in 1998 compared to 1992? Which battery? 55AH. For which years? 1998 and to 1992. Okay, so 1998 146 and 1992 108. So it is 145 minus 108 upon 108 into 100. Okay, so it is 34%. 145 minus 108, 145 minus 108 upon 108 into 100, so it is 34%. Okay, so next table we will see in the next